In this video, we'll be making my grandma's secret recipe for crispy pork belly. This recipe has over 2.5 million views on YouTube, and we're going to be trying it in the new air fryer. Using her technique, the skin always comes out crispy, yet the meat is still juicy. We'll be using 1.2 kilograms of pork belly. Start by making sure this cut fits into your air fryer basket. Try to choose the meat with the least amount of fat. Wash in cold water and then pat it dry with paper towel. Rub in about 2 teaspoons of 5-spice powder onto the meat side and on the sides. You can also replace the 5-spice powder with a mixture of onion and garlic powder to your preference. Place the meat side down on 2 sheets of aluminium foil. Fold the aluminium foil around the meat sides, ensuring that the edges are taller than the meat to hold salt. We wrap the meat in aluminium foil to prevent the sides from burning. Using a meat poker, poke the skin. If you don't have one, use some metal skewers. Pour a cup of salt over the skin and spread it evenly. The aluminium foil edges should hold the salt. We also poured in a small amount of boiling water into the air fryer basket to help keep the meat juicy. Carefully place the pork belly into the air fryer basket. Air fry at 190 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes on high fan force. My dad has connected his iPad to the air fryer so as to notify himself when it's ready. Carefully remove the meat from the air fryer using a wooden spatula. Scrape off the salt from the meat. It should come out in big chunks, meaning it's absorbed all the moisture from the skin. Rub off the excess salt with a paper towel. Poke the skin and readjust the foil before placing it back into the air fryer. Air fry at 200 degrees Celsius on high fan force for another 30 to 35 minutes depending on your air fryer. Remove the meat from the air fryer and leave it to rest. You can tell how crunchy the skin is after scraping and tapping with a knife. Cut into sizes of your preference. My dad finds it easier to cut from the meat side down. He usually serves his with plum sauce or chili oil. The meat is extremely juicy, and I'll let you listen to the crunch. I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll put the link to the previous 2.5 million views pork belly recipe in the description.